Did you know there's a completely free AI university where job seekers can build real career skills with no tuition, no waiting list, and no student debt? It's called Maestro.org, and it's changing how people get hired in the AI era, starting right now. If you've been sending resumes with no response, or you're tired of hearing, we went with another candidate, this might be the tool that changes everything. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, find the job you really want, and thrive in the AI era. And in today's video, we're diving into how Maestro.org, the AI university, can help you build skills, confidence, and connections completely free. Let's dive in. If you've been following this channel, you already know. The world of work is changing faster than anyone expected. But here's the truth. The people who adapt aren't the ones with the most degrees. They're the ones who know how to learn, unlearn, and relearn fast. And now, there's a free way to do just that, powered entirely by AI. And trust me, every job seeker in 2025 should be using it. Maestro is an AI-driven learning platform designed to help you build your career with AI, not against it. It's simple, free, and 100% personalized. When you visit maestro.org, it greets you with one powerful question. I want to be? That's your starting point. Whether you type software engineer, AI assistant, digital marketer, or even not sure yet, Maestro instantly designs a personalized roadmap, a skill plan built around real jobs, AI-driven tools, and current market demand. According to PR Newswire, 72% of companies are already using AI, but over half say they lack training and resources to help their employees catch up. That means businesses are desperate for people who already understand how to work with AI tools. Translation? If you start learning now, you'll have an edge that most job seekers don't. And Maestro makes that possible without tuition, without loans, and without waiting for anyone to approve your enrollment. Once you tell Maestro what career path you want, it becomes your personal AI coach. It recommends step-by-step projects, free learning resources, and real-world practice activities, the same ones professionals use in the field. It's like having an AI mentor who keeps you on track, one that never gets tired, never charges you, and always adjusts to your progress. Let's say you type, I want to be a UX designer. Maestro instantly builds your roadmap, covering skills like design thinking, Figma, AI-powered prototyping, and user research. It then lists the tools to practice with and the projects that will actually build your portfolio. Or maybe you say, I want to get into AI marketing. Maestro will guide you through ChatGPT prompt strategy, ad copy generation, Canva Magic Studio, and campaign automation tools. Each skill connects to a real career outcome. The AI university concept. Here's what makes Maestro different. It doesn't just teach skills. It helps you think like an AI professional. Instead of sitting through long lectures, you learn by doing. It's hands-on, project-driven learning that mimics what employers actually look for. You don't need to wait for college or pay $5,000 for a boot camp. Maestro gives you a head start, especially if you're switching industries, returning to the workforce, or building your first AI-related skill set. It's also mobile-friendly, meaning you can learn during lunch breaks, on the bus, or late at night after work. It meets you where you are. Here's a real example, how it helps job seekers. Let's imagine you're a teacher trying to pivot into ed tech. You'd go to maestro.org and type, I want to be an AI curriculum designer. The platform might recommend tools like MagicSchool.ai, Notion, or ChatGPT for lesson design. It'll guide you through a sequence of tasks, like build an AI lesson plan, design an adaptive quiz, and write a classroom automation script. By the end, you'll have tangible projects you can showcase, the kind that hiring managers actually want to see. Or maybe you're a retail associate who wants to transition into tech. You could type, "I want to be a data analyst." Maestro will line up beginner-friendly resources, from spreadsheet analytics to AI-driven visualization using ChatGPT or Gemini. You'll get a career roadmap, practical projects, and suggested AI tools. That's not theory, that's job readiness. The best part? Maestro is completely free. No subscriptions, no trial period, no paywalls. It's funded through innovation grants and partnerships designed to make AI learning accessible to everyone, including underrepresented job seekers, career changers, and small business owners. That means if you're between jobs, laid off, or re entering the workforce, you can start training today without paying a dime. And because Maestro constantly updates based on new AI tools, you'll always stay current, even as industries evolve. As an AI career coach, I've reviewed hundreds of platforms, and Maestro is one of the few that blends free learning with personalized guidance. It doesn't just throw you into a pile of random courses. It builds your learning like a GPS builds a route, step by step, with every turn mapped to a real-world job skill. Most people lose momentum because they don't know what to learn next. Maestro removes that confusion. It also rewards consistency. Each task builds confidence, and each milestone brings you closer to your next opportunity. So if you've been stuck in job search mode, Maestro can help you shift into skill building mode, the space where actual progress happens. Let's be honest, the economy is unpredictable. Automation is increasing, and government shutdowns remind us how fragile income stability can be. That's it, but learning is one thing no one can take from you. If you learn how to use AI, not fear it, you'll never be left behind. And tools like Maestro.org make that possible. One goal, one project, one step at a time. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for someone else to teach you. Start building your future today. Here's your quick action plan. 1. Go to Maestro.org. 2. Type in your goal, or say not sure yet. 3. Follow your personalized roadmap. 4. Save your projects. 5. Add them to your portfolio or LinkedIn. This is how you prepare for AI-era jobs. Not by waiting, but by learning how to adapt faster than change itself. Remember, visibility is value. The more you learn, the more opportunities you attract. If this video helped you see what's possible, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who's job hunting, re-entering the workforce, or looking for a free way to reskill. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.